Hello. Welcome to the new video of the Web Store 028. This is portal is for text-to-speech conversion in human voice. You will get content creator also here where you will be able to create your own content using ChatGPT OpenAI. And you can create speech for this created content also, where you will get 300 plus different voice tones with almost all language. For regional language you can convert English text from Google Translate and can add text in your regional language and can generate voice. Once voice is ready you can download it and use it in any video. So this is very useful and easy and unique portal equals.
You, time, you.